Hey guys! So, at the time of filming this video, I'm on a little bit of a road trip staying at an old Wisconsin farm and have nothing else to film and upload other than more flights of the same old gliders that you've all seen before. Boring. Or so I thought, but as I was flying I noticed a pair of barn swallows, whose nest was in the nearby barn, that kept following my glider around, and I thought to myself, well, aren't they cool little flyers? And I realized I could film them and make a much more interesting video out of that than anything I could do with my crude wooden flying machines, so, without further ado, barn swallows. As you can see, I've tried to slow down some of the flying clips such that we can see how the birds actually fly, but I guess the slow frame rate of my smartphone has kind of put a hamper on that. Anyway, it looks alright, so I'll take what I can get.